Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and I have for you September's Yarnable, done by Hypnotic Yarns. So let's get started. I'm sorry for the crinkle. So the first thing we have in here are these back clips, and it's not orange, it's really red. Boy, that looks orange on my screen. But there are 12 clips, and there is a bunch of them. Wow, that is a whole lot. I love the apple shape. That's like really super cute. And there's a whole lot of them. And next, I'm going to get rid of that crinkling bag. We get our typical pouch, which we get in every one, which I really like these pouches. They come in handy. And inside the pouch, we have a 4 grams sugar per bag. It is keto friendly, ready in minutes. It is apple cinnamon mug muffin. Right there. And it says that it is 5 net carbs. It contains almond and coconut, so I obviously can't have it. But you add a melted tablespoon of butter into a mug, microwave safe mug. You add this in, and you crack in 1 egg and stir. And then you heat it in the microwave for a minute. And then you'll have your apple cinnamon mug muffin. That's cool. And then the next thing we have is one of these Swedish dishcloths with the apples on it, which is cute. These clean up really easily. They're eco-friendly dishcloths that can be washed up to 200 times. So that's really nice. I like that. That's really cool. The card that you get, they always have these little quips on it. And it says, happily ever after. Life is uncertain. Eat dessert first, especially if it's apple pie. Nice. And did you know apples are a member of the rose family? That's right, they are related to roses, along with pears and plums. Nice. That's really nice. And then we have the yarn. And I always get the deluxe, so I always get an extra skein. An extra color skein that complements. So the main skein is called Happily Ever After. I get plush DK, which is 85% superwash merino and 15% nylon. It is 246 yards and 100 grams. My complementary skein is called Insider Information. It's also plush DK, which is 85% superwash merino, 15% nylon, and it is 123 yards, or 50 grams. So here is the Happily Ever After. And I'll slide that down there so you can actually see the colors in there. Look at the browns and the reds. That is just absolutely stunning. And the complementary color matches that. So you've got the cider to go along with it. And they match. And you can see my kids and the kittens in the background. So you've got the cider that matches along with it. I like that. I like that a lot. So that is quite lovely. So this is really nice, perfect for fall Yarnable. Really like this. And if you want to look them up, they are at Yarnable. Come on, yarnable.net. Come on. Boy, that doesn't want to come in. There it is. Yarnable.net. So this month we've got our yarn, which always comes in a dust cover bag. We got the Swedish dishcloth. We got a muffin in a mug. We always get these lovely zipper bags, which are very handy. And we've got the wonderful bag clips. They definitely come in handy. So it was a wonderful, wonderful Yarnable. So I hope you enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.